sir. Mabuhay. Welcome to Laxitel. I am Rich, the adult conductor today. How may I assist you, sir?
I want to check in.
Would you like me to help you with live?
Yes, please.
May I confirm, sir, if you only have a one luggage?
Yes, I have only one.
Okay, sir. May I put a luggage tag for identification and safety purposes, sir?
Yes, second.
This way, please. So this is our lobby, sir. If you want to use the restroom, it is located here.
Okay.
This way to the front desk, sir. Good day, sir. Welcome to Laxitel.
Good day. Gabriel, this is Nadine.
Please wait for a while, sir, as I check your reservation. I have already confirmed your reservation, sir. For verification, your surname is Madelo. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
So you're served at the last room with a queen-size bed at price 6,405 per night, arriving today and departing on September 19 for 2 nights. The reservation was guaranteed through your Visa credit card. Is that correct?
Yes.
Kindly review the details and sign your registration form, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So your number, sir, is 101, located at the first floor. Here is your key and your bill ID. For security purposes, please present your bill ID whenever you claim your key. The checkout time is 12 noon. If you need any assistance, please dial 0 from your room telephone. Mr. Nadalo, allow me to introduce our bell attendant who will assist you with your luggage and escort you to your room. Bill service, please. Good day, sir. I am Rio, and I'll be the one assisting with your room. May I have your key, please? Thank you. Here is your claim back, sir. Please present this whenever you Is it your first time staying with us, sir?
Yes, this is my first time.
How was good for you, sir?
It's okay. It's fine.
So we're now here in your room, sir. Please wait for a moment as I check your room first.
Okay.
Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Everything is in order, sir. You can now come in.
Thank you.
Where do you want me to put your luggage, sir?
Just there.
Okay, sir. Would you like me to explain your special features and amenities in your room, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. So here's our TV, sir. We also have a remote control. You can press the button, turn it on and off. We also have a number, sir, so you can choose your channel. Well, we also have a drawer here, sir, so you can put your things inside.
Okay.
So here's your mini bar, sir. There's a free amenities that you can use.
Can I put some things there?
Yes, sir. You can put anything you want. So here's the air conditioning, sir. We also have a press button, so you can turn it on and off. And if you want to adjust the temperature, you can twist it. So here's your safety deposit box, sir. You can put inside your valuable things, and you can enter the desired PIN number, and you can press the button to lock it. And if you want to open, just enter the same code, sir. And if you want to adjust the lights, sir, you can press the button to adjust the brightness.
Okay.
So here's the button located, sir. You can switch here, and we have a hot and cold shower, sir, and we also have a bathroom amenities for your convenience. Is there anything else you need, sir?
I guess none.
So here's our room telephone. If you need assistance, just dial 0.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your key, sir. I will now take my leave and enjoy your stay, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello, good morning. Lax Hotel Reservation. This is Rish speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I would like to reserve a room for 2 persons.
Certainly, sir. May I have your name, please?
Dave Lawrence Madelo.
Mr. Madalo, may I have your arrival and departure dates?
September 17 to September 19.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to check our room availability. So we have a deluxe room available for those dates at price 6,405 per night. Would you like to proceed with the reservation?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. May I know your preferred bed type?
I would like a queen-size bed.
Certainly. Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted. For your comfort, we also have a premier room with a better view and a larger space. Would you like to upgrade subject to availability?
No, thank you.
No problem. May I have the names of the guests staying in the room?
Dave Lawrence Madelo.
Thank you. May I also have your contact number and email address?
My contact number is 0910058135 and my email is davelawrence.madelo@gmail.com.
Thank you. May I know your expected time of arrival?
Around 3 p.m.
Noted. How would you like to guarantee your reservation, sir?
Through a credit card, please.
Certainly. May I know the type of card and the card details, please?
Visa. The card number is 123456789.
Thank you. May I also have the name of the card holder?
Dave Lawrence Madelo.
Thank you. Mr. Madalo, please be advised that your credit card will only be used to guarantee the reservation and be charged according to the hotel's cancellation policy. Let me confirm your reservation details, sir. Reservation under Mr. Madalo, arrival date September 17, departure date September 19, land of stay 2 nights. The room type is deluxe room. The bed type is queen size bed, and your preferences is non-smoking. Expected time of arrival is 3 p.m. Rate is 6,400 per night, and the total charge would be price 12,810. And it is credit card guarantee. Is everything correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, wonderful. Your reservation is now confirmed and guaranteed. Thank you for choosing Lax Hotel Reservation. We'll look forward to welcoming you. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir, and have a great day. Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Good morning, sir. I will be the one assessing you for your checkout. Please check your drawer, wardrobe, and bathroom to make sure that your valuable things are not left behind.
I guess there's nothing else.
Okay, sir. This way, please.
So far it's okay.
Do you just stay with us, sir?
Yes, I love your service. I enjoyed it.
This way, please. afternoon, sir. Checking out today.
Yes.
May I have your key card, please?
Here.
Thank you. Please allow me for a moment while I review your account.
Yes.
Your accommodation charges regarding your credit card, and you have no additional charges on your account. Everything is settled, sir. Would you like an official receipt?
No, I don't know.
Sir. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to welcome you again. Would you like any assistance with your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir.
Yo, ito muna.
Bill service, please. Good afternoon, sir. Your car have arrived. I may now assist you to review this. Mr. Please. Would you like me to load your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
I already load your luggage, sir. Thank you for staying with us and have a great day.